Okay, welcome. This is going to be a review. Um, let's go back to the first slide before we do anything else. Okay, and we'll need to know what this is about. There's a review on Email Startup Incubator by Learn. How good is it really? Or is it just for beginners? Well, that's what I'm going to really get into. I think that's what it's for. It's just for the beginners. See, for the newbie, it's very, very good for that, for newbies. But it's not the be all and end all. No, it's not. You see, so but what it gives you, it's a great introduction to email marketing. Exactly what exactly what it is, right? And that's all it is. Okay, you just got to remember that that's how it is. It's a step-by-step process, one module at a time. You see, you do learn a lot. This is how it is. Why? How do I know this? Because I've been through this, so I know. And the end result is that you have a funnel at the end, which you're supposed to be, you can promote. Well, and you know, what you have to do with this is you have to complete each model plus any tasks that need to be done. And the way you do that is you watch and learn the necessary knowledge to do the business. That's exactly what it is. It introduces you to email marketing, and how email marketing is done and the processes that are concerned about that. You learn and come out with a completed funnel. Yes, and that's done through a program they have within Incubator. So yeah, and there's weekly coaching calls 4 days a week where you can ask your questions, where your questions are answered, where you can get your questions answered. Sorry, and there's one video marketing training once a week. Okay, so that's that. So let's go and have a look at the platform itself and see what you actually get for your money, right? Because this is a $9.97 or $1,000 course, but it gives you lifetime access, right? And you only pay once, okay? So here it is here. It's called Inbox Blueprint in here, right? And you have all these modules to complete, right? This is the dashboard for this, and here it is here. Here's your modules which have to be completed, which you have to complete. There's quite a few of them, let's go in and have a look exactly what they are. You don't just have that. So you got a 2-minute introduction from the man himself, which is this guy, which is Annex and Gale, right? And there it is there. Here's the modules. That's the introduction. Your welcome email startup incubator. Welcome to your email startup incubator. Agreements and commitments. Meet the coaches. My story, a key takeaway for success. Entrepreneurship, for successful entrepreneurship. Building a business, 3 foundational cores, and overview of the email business model. Think value, focus, and build around providing value. That's step 1. I mean, look at that. That's step 1. That's it's quite a lot to deal with. You can look at that at your own leisure. I think I'll let you do that. You can read. So we'll go on to step 2. I'll just close this down again. Bring that up. And we're going to see. So this one is about a consultation where they want to move you up. But that's up to you whether you want to take that up or not. I didn't. I'm probably glad I didn't actually because of certain things. But anyway, not the matter. This it's a good value course. I mean, it really is. There's a lot here for you to learn. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, another 7 within module 1. Different kinds of email business, right? Alright, so that's where they'll explain the business to you and how it works. Okay. And then you got to pick your niche, picking your niche, which is quite involved. See, look, there's all these, there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 modules, 9 lessons in that in module 2, picking your niche. Okay. So it's quite comprehensive. Making money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 8 lessons on module 3, making money. You see, and then well, the longest one in that one's 19 minutes. So all the rest are quite short. Then you go into module 4. Module 4, creating the pages and gift, which is this is about opt-in pages, right? So you have to create a gift to you for that, an ethical bribe. So I know all about this because I've been through this. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 lessons on that within module 4, creating your pages and gifts. This is quite substantial considering what you're paying for it, and you get a lifetime access here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 there, and your first emails. Yeah, which you have to have an email, an autoresponder with us. You see, so because you're doing it's an email marketing business, right? So you've got to have somewhere to store the email addresses that you collect. And then there's generating traffic. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 on that. 13 lessons within module 6, generating traffic. And then module 7, broadcast emails. This is what you send out, maybe once a day or twice a day, or twice, probably twice a week or something like that. But probably is the best idea for this, which is what Anik himself says, is not to send out too many. Do 3 or 4 offers a month, that maximum 4, no more than that. Why? Because people get pissed off. That's why. 2, 4, 6, 8, and they'll just unsubscribe from your list, and you don't want that. So that's it. That's your broadcast emails. Module scaling your business. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lessons for that. And this is the place. This is Launchpad training. Okay, this is Launchpad. This is where the business is built. It's built within Launchpad, and you build your opt-in page in there, your segue page in there, and your thank you page within Launchpad. Which is simple, which is just a really basic editor. I progressed from that myself to ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels is just it's mind-blowing. I mean, I just it far exceeds this. This is just basic stuff, but it's a great start. It's great to learn, but ClickFunnels is just far better. I the stuff you can do in that, I mean, it's just, this is what do you call it? This is learning to crawl before you can walk, and to walk before you can run. And that's what you to go through this first and build a few funnels, because that's what I've done. I think 3, 4 or 5 funnels. I think I built in here first, and then I went to ClickFunnels, and that's where I am now. And now I build sophisticated stuff, so I really do. So that's true. We got your Launchpad, you got your traffic center, see, where you got your training on what traffic to do and how to create it. I can come back to this anytime I want. Which is great. This is the thing about it. You see, it's really good to have education on the subject. It's great. It really is good. Okay, but but then there's other places as well that are just as good, if not better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, because Launchpad is prone to errors, and that's a fact. And I found out that and realised that, and so I just decided, stuff this. You know, I'll go ClickFunnels, and with that, I just can build anything I want. It's great, simple. You know, and I can promote, you know, my ClickFunnels opt-in pages and thank you pages. You see, and I can use different funnels to do whatever I want to do. But you know, so there you go. There's you see, there's your email center. You'll see email sequence. You know, so he gives you an email, 10-day email autoresponder sequence, which is not, you know, yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's a really good, yeah, this is really good, you know. And then you got bonus trainings, week, fast, you know, start program. You got your resources, replays, and this is for the coaching program. So you got the coaching program replays if you want to go and watch them. You know, you've also got the marketing webinar that goes on once a week. Instruction, you can go and watch that again too. So you know, yeah, it's just, you know, you've got a lot of training to go through here. But if you just take your time, you know, don't be in a hurry to try and get to the money, because it's just a waste of time. It's as simple as that. So 10 lessons in there. And then you got your advanced digital marketing replays. So there you go. There you got your, you know, well, that's the digital program that goes on once a week. Most recent training replays, digital publishing, and email marketing and business fund management. Plus, so there's more media buying, organic traffic, productivity and mindset, yeah, scaling and gaining your resources, and writing, because you got to write emails eventually, and then you got your replays and your traffic academy. Oh, hey, okay. So this is your replays. Right, right. This is what you get. You see, so there's a lot of content in here. There's heaps of it. This is the marketing replays, advanced marketing replays. You see, there's heaps of content for you to look at and replays. Here's replays here. Look, yeah. See, there they all are. And that, you know, that goes on. You've got your 4 days a week where you get your replays. There's heaps of them. See, heaps of them. You know, and they're archived, and you can get them anytime you want. You know, they're just there. Okay, and then you got Traffic Academy. All right, click on Traffic Academy, and you got 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 strategies you can look at there. Yeah. You can give feedback, because that's the button there. So, you know, this thing is just, it is really good, but, you know, what you'll find is that over time you'll move on anyway, so it really doesn't matter. So that's just what happens, because that's what happened to me. You know, I just decided I want more for sophistication. It's all the same. I mean, once you've learned the steps, you know, I wanted more be able to to build funnels without the errors of Launchpad, because I got sick of the errors. So I just thought, I'll stuff this, and so I moved to ClickFunnels, and I'm quite happy there, you know, and I'm doing promotions there. So, you know, because it's a really good, you know, so, you know, I mean, the only trouble, you know, that you pay, the only thing about this, right, is you only pay once for this. You pay your entry fee, upfront entry fee. That's, you know, which is $9.97 or US, and that's it. You know, you don't have to ever pay again. This is free lifetime access. With ClickFunnels, you know, it's $98 a month or $298 a month, depending on what level you are at, you see. It's quite dear, right? But if you look at the output and you look at the pages you get, and you look look at how they look online, they just blow your mind. It just blows your mind. So yeah. So that's my review on the incubator, so email inbox incubator. See, so all right, so there you have it. It's just, this is how it is, right? So go back to the dashboard up here, and there we are. We have the offer, and this is how it is. This is the place. This is where it starts. See, I have this one too, but I'll do a review on that later. But email incubator, good product. Yeah, it's good for newbies. Great for newbies. For people who don't know anything about the subject, it's really good for them. For people like that. Once you become immersed in this and you learn from it, then you can move on and do what you want to do. There's nothing stopping you from nothing making you stay here unless it's, of course, unless it's money, and that's the only other thing. But the training is, I still come back here for training from time to time. So yeah, especially on traffic and stuff like that. All right. I mean, there's the students. Look, 22,000 students in this, and 5,200 give it a thumbs up. 1,500 give it a thumbs up. See, so yeah. I won't do that because it has some issues, right? And I've just said that the Launchpad isn't that great, but it's free, comes free with the program. You don't have to pay any more. It's not like ClickFunnels where you have to pay a fee up every month. It's not like that. So you just got to bear with that. That's how it is. Yeah. I mean, Annick's done the best he can. He could do better. He could do a lot better. Yeah, but I don't think that's going to probably happen because it's going to cost him too much money. Yeah. Good program. I recommend it for anybody who wants to learn how to do email marketing. Anybody who wants to do that, this is the program they should go for. So if you see it for sale on YouTube, and after seeing this review, just it's up to you. If you want this kind of education, this level of education, you have to invest in education. You see, that's how it has to be. You can't just expect that someone's going to give you it for free, because they're not. It's as simple as that. Yeah, $1,000 US, so or thereabouts. So cheap, really, for considering what you're going to learn, and it gives you start to get power. Of course, but there are other things that you need to do. There's because but there's traffic here. It's paid traffic. There's free traffic and all that kind of stuff. All right, so I'm thinking now that I've told you what the story is about. Email inbox, or was it email? Hang on a minute. Email startup incubator. So now it's up to you to decide what you want to do. All right. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more information on reviews on this kind of business stuff, or then subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.